Good morning, Miss Nelson's class. How are we doing today? Today is Thursday, May 7th, 2020, 5-7-20. It's Thursday, one more day till Friday, and then the weekend. How's everyone doing? Everyone doing good? You should be just about finishing up all your work. Today's really, there's not a real one. Well, science has an assignment today, but that one's optional just for more practice. But other than that, today is just finishing up all your assignments for the week. And if you want, go ahead and get those performance tasks done and submit them to me, and then you're done for the week. So, quick announcements. Normally, you know how I do our class check-in every day. I'm not going to be able to attend that today. I have a meeting I have to go to. So I'm not going to be able to do that today, but if you have any questions or anything like that, you can still email me and everything. I just won't be available for that window that I'm normally sitting on Zoom from 11:30 to 12. Other than that, I'm here. So that was the big announcement I wanted to make. Make sure you guys are checking your emails. Miss Green had sent out an email about the procedure that they're going to do, the picking up your kiddos' school supplies that they had used all year. And that is this Monday. It's coming up. So make sure you watch that video so that way you're not confused and doesn't feel like it's going to be chaotic, but hopefully nice and smooth chaos. All right. So a couple of my friends I'll get to see today is Sarai and Samba, Sophia, and Oz. So I can't wait to see you guys and see what you've been up to. Let's see. Oh, and also check class tag. I did post up. Bella has invited everyone if you'd like. It's her birthday Friday, and her parents are doing a drive-by. So I posted all that information up on our class tag if you'd like to do it. Okay. Let me go over our one-pagers right quick. Again, if you haven't finished lessons 1, 2, or 3, today would be a perfect day to do it. Other than that, you can either log on to iStation if you have not done your math iStation, finish that up, or go ahead and do your performance task. And your performance task looks like this. It's a couple of questions about shapes. Okay, it looks like that. If you can't open the link, just let me know and I'll send you a copy of the performance task. For ELAR, again, it's just pretty much wrapping up the week, finishing up what you haven't. Lesson 1, you were to listen to the story Miss Buchek was reading. Lesson 2, you use that same story to make your graphic organizer to organize your thoughts about the topic, the main idea of the story, and then 3 supporting evidence from the story. And then yesterday, you were taking your graphic organizer and writing it in a sentence. Same formula that we've been doing for the last couple of weeks. Today is finishing all those up. Log on to iStation to do your reading if you have not, or go ahead and get going on your performance task. You are more than welcome to use a book on your own if you have one at home. Again, books on Epic are great. I will be posting a book here in just a little bit, a book that you could use if you don't have one or you don't know which one to use, okay? So, and please make sure you write the title of the book that you use on your paper, okay? Regardless if it was from Epic, if it was from the one-pager or what I'm going to post up, or a book from home. Please write the title of the book so I know what book you're talking about. Okie dokie. For science, again, it's a catch-up one. Today's lesson is optional. So if you hadn't already listened to the song and watched all the videos about the different vocabulary, and then watching the other videos and taking the short little pre-quiz to test your knowledge on Wednesdays. Today is just fun. You get to listen to a read aloud, a story called Tiny Seed. And then there's a link to click for a worksheet. Okay. And what you do is you're going to, in the little boxes, is where you'll place a number of when that took place in the story. So what was the first part of the story? Which box would fit for number 1? Which one came next? Which one was last in the story? So you're putting these boxes in order. You put the number in the little box of when that took place in the story, and then have fun coloring it, okay? And then that's it. And then if you're ready to take your performance task on there as well, go ahead and do that. Get that done early so you can have a nice long weekend. Okay. That is about it. I don't think I have anything else. I don't know. I feel like I'm forgetting things. But yeah, so you guys reach out to me if you need anything, if you get stuck, if you have questions, or if you just want someone to read to, I am here for you. Okay. I love you and I miss you tons. There's my heart. There's your heart. All right. Let's end with our Chisholm Ridge Creed. All right, here at Chisholm Ridge, we will show respect for each other, embrace our day with heart and soul, and give our best to meet our goals. Bye, guys.